Hi everyone! In this video, I'll share 5 quick and effective tips to fix cellular data issues on your iPhone. Let's jump right in and get your connection back on track. Start by restarting your iPhone. This simple step often clears up minor glitches. Slide it to turn off your device, wait a few seconds, then power it back on. Next, toggle airplane mode. This refreshes your network connections and can fix minor disruptions. Open the control center by swiping down. Tap the airplane icon to enable airplane mode, wait about 10 seconds, and then disable it. If that doesn't work, check your mobile data settings. Open Settings, tap Mobile Data, and ensure it's turned on. If you're traveling, verify that roaming is enabled. Also, ensure your carrier is properly selected, as this can sometimes reset after updates. Updating your carrier settings is another critical step. Go to Settings, tap General, and then About. If a carrier update is available, a prompt will appear. Follow the instructions to update your settings, as these updates often improve connectivity. Finally, if the issue persists, reset your network settings. Keep in mind this will erase saved Wi-Fi passwords and Bluetooth pairings, so have them handy. Open Settings, tap General, scroll down to Transfer or Reset iPhone, select Reset, and then choose Reset Network Settings. Enter your passcode to confirm, and your iPhone will restart with default network configurations. And there you have it. 5 simple tips to resolve cellular data issues on your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching.